Well, good morning, and if you can hear me over the noise, that's what this video is about today. Regular viewers will know how we live in a very rural location. It's very quiet, and I do small electronics builds and salvaging, that kind of a thing, in a quiet environment. It's not happening this week, and I'll show you why and what that noise is all about. I've swapped to a voiceover now because the audio levels can be changed. Apologies if the noise still gets through, but at least it relates to what I'm talking about. What's going on is that our neighbour's house burnt down at the end of last year, and he owns the woodlands on either side of our exit road. He's going to rebuild using the wood, and to do so has brought in these massive machines. We'll take a closer look at the machines later, and I'll show you the huge area that's been cleared so far. I'm surprised those things are being so reliable. The tyres are busted up and they do look old, but they really are clearing out a lot of trees. And hauling them away for processing. Let's have a look at what's happened on this left side today. It looks like they've changed from the right hand side to the left. And here's all the logs they're now collecting. This is so very different. I'll show further up what it normally looks like. That is one heck of a lot of logs. And we've seen how they've been being taken away by trucks as well. I like how they're keeping the electric wire away. Now, as you can see, this is what the woods used to look like. Overgrown, full of brush and everything. But ironically, in a clearing, there used to be a very, or hopefully still is, a very special tree. Now what the Native Americans used to do a couple of 100 years ago was to bend a sapling horizontal to the ground and then back up again. And the direction that the tree would point would denote a trail to follow. We don't know whether this is one, but we did ask the neighbour if he would ask the people to not knock it down. Well, let's see if it still survives. I think it's over there. Let's have a look. Yeah, looks like it. The neighbour was saying he wanted to try and get a piece of that tape, you know, like the crime tape the police have, to put around the tree. He hasn't, but they have moved over to that other side to do the logging. But yeah, here it is, nicely lit up as it always has been towards sunset. Here's a close-up view of one of these machines, a Tiger Cat. Look at the tyres on this thing, and also the use it must have had. Well, look at that though, the machine is in the woods. A Tiger Cat 724E. Those tyres have seen better days. This is the one with the spinning blade on the front. There we are. That cuts the tree, and those jaws clamp it. Sound has changed just now to be over on the left side from our house, and I'm wondering if they've come into another section of the woods. So I'm just going to have a quick look over there. Yeah, the whole of those woods used to be like this, all overgrown. Well, I am a little ways further along, and they're certainly louder. I can see this tape as well in front, which is possibly their boundary where they're going to cut to. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's another one of those pieces of tape there. And I see this here is a fence. You might be able to see the fencing post and the old fencing itself going across, and that's why it's being denoted by these pieces of tape. That's the property boundary. Okay. By the way, that's different. We've now got a truck with this machinery on it. This wasn't here. Yep, that's different. In fact, I'm at the road. I'm at where this green thing is. I think I'll walk back home through the woods that still remain. And walk to the back of this. These people start at about 6:20 in the morning, something like that. Look at that thing, it looks a bit like a Star Wars pod of some type. Or a fairground ride. Huh. Right, anyway. This way to the corner. This is a very novel experience.